Hi. Now we are going to see Mastercam save, save some, save as, and the merge commands. See, we are going to see about detail about this all four commands. First of all, we will see merge. Uh, Many people having doubt, is this possible to assemble in the Mastercam? Yes, we cannot make the hi-fi assembly, but minimum assembly what is needed in one tool room application, very small amount of or a simple assembly if you want to make. Yes, you can make it in the Mastercam. One small example I will make it and show you that how the merge is useful to us. So now we'll make one. We'll make one plate here, and 50 and 100, and the center we'll make one punch or hole, and all we can make some offset here. Uh, one hole we'll make it. So for that we'll offset this 15 mm. I'll offset all four lines so that I will get intersection point. There I will make one guide pin draw. So radius I'll keep it 5, 6 I will keep it. Okay. I can lock this. Okay. Okay. Now I made all these things. I will delete these construction lines. So I will right click and isometric, and I will say solid extrude. Even you can select by window also extrude. So, I will make it the thickness 25 plate. Okay, accept. So this name I will say file. So from this only we will understand what is the save and save sum. So now from this I need only the wireframe geometry, not entire model. Okay, file, save as sum. Whatever I selected, only that thing is going to change. So purposely I have not selected that particular one. Okay, we'll say test folder under, inside the test folder. Otherwise we will make it a new folder. Okay, so now I will tell this is the die. So this file should be a save as a die. Save. I don't know what name it is saved now. Die. I think die name only. Save some. So this wireframe is all wireframe. Okay. So I will give this name as punch. So now we have another file called name punch. We have done the save sum here. Okay. So we have saved some of the geometry. File open punch. Don't save here. Now you can see save some means a portion of the file. What are the thing if you want, you can select it and save as. You can save some. Save as means nothing but it's a duplicating. Your existing file you are copying and keeping. That's the thing, difference. So now I'll say this is a punch. So I'll go again, I'll extrude it. Uh, Extrude and this folder, this all four holes. I will case solid extrude. Okay, it's okay. Now I'll add a punch here. Solid extrude this punch. Okay, and I'll say add boss. 25. I'll say add boss. Okay, now the punch plate is also ready, and die already we have made it. And so now guide pin. We need a guide pin now. So now we'll save as. Otherwise, we'll keep in some other place. Purposely, I am keeping at the some distance from the center. So because so that we can make the assembly and show for that reason. So I will say copy it or move it, not copy. Okay. So now we can delete it. This wireframe not necessary. So but I need this guide pin. I'll save this and I'll make a new folder. This whole size I checked it. So it is a 12 dia. I need a one four guide pins. I need it. So I'll go. So I'll go to new file. I save this file and go to new file and make a circle here for dia 12. Okay, and I'll extrude it this solid extrude. Okay, so now we'll make it okay 50 around. Okay, so now we have we save this as a guide pin. So now we have a punch plate, die plate, and the guide pin. So now we are going to. So now all these three drawings I am going to assemble it and show to you now. So first I'll say file new. So again I'll go merge. What file? First we'll take the die file, new folder. Okay. So now the die file has come here. You can align it here from here also, or later also you can align it. So I'll say isometric now. Now again this pin I need to position. So I'll go again file. So file save. So assembly file. You can give the name for this file is the assembly file. Okay, save this. Now I'll go again file merge. So pin. Okay. Now now I am going to uh, I just brought inside. Here also you can align. Otherwise you can go outside and from the transform you can align it. So from the bottom of this two, again transform, translate this one, end selection. From vector you can pick it, the center point to this center. Okay. It came, we have kept at the 2D, that's the reason it come at the top only. If you make it, keep it 3D, then it will come and sit exactly on that position. Transform, translate this entire thing. From the bottom vector you can accept it, and vector center of this to center of this hole. Okay, now you can see that it has moved. So now like this, you can every time you can import all 4 pin, or otherwise you can mirror it and you can finish this. Okay, so you can copy it and place it, or otherwise you can mirror also you can do. So again we can translate other here also. Transform, translate this pin. Okay, accept, and from vector this center point to this center point. I'll say I'll say copy. Now this both. Okay, translate from vector, accept this, and vector from this point to center point to, and this center point. Okay, now we have imported all, we have brought all 4 pins and assembled in the die plate. So now we need to bring punch here, then merge punch plane, open it, we'll accept it. It has come little far distance now. So now you can merge it. How? Now transform again. Now I am going to use only the translate command, nothing else. Okay, accept it, and you can accept this and translate from bottom of center of this to, okay, and center of this. Okay, I'll say move here. Okay, move. Okay, now you can see on one assembly we have made by using the merge command. Okay, so by this you can use the merge command for making the small assemblies in the mastercam. And with this we have seen what is save as, and also save some. Along with that, how to use this merge command. Okay, but here there is no constraints like parallel or horizontal or vertical, but somehow you can manage and you can make the translation, and you can move it. Okay, even you can explode these views. Yes, you can use still the translate command itself. So you can explode this all the parts. So this is nothing but whatever you have done now is the exploded view. Okay, you make it 100, no problem. Now you all four, you want to move it. So expand, translate, make it a 50. Z I'll give 50M. So this is nothing but the exploded view. This is nothing but the exploded view. Like this exploded view also you can make, or assembly view also you make it. So in this small example we have seen save, what is save as, what is the save sum, and the merge command. Save is one time saving your file. Save as is a copying the existing file. Save sum means a particular part, a portion of the file you want to save, then you can use the save sum. So now I selected all four. I am going to save as a some other file. Save as. Same place we will save it. I'll say test. Test save as. So now you file and open it. So that is a save sum will bring you the. So this is the save sum file. And this is the difference between save as and save sum. Okay. Thank you.